Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 93, Surface Areas and Volumes, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. The interior of a building is in form of a cylinder of diameter 4.3 meters and height 3.8 meters, surmounted by a cone whose vertical angle is a right angle. Find the volume and the curved surface area of the building respectively. Surmounted means what? One above other means this is a cylinder and above that is a cone. Now what are the details of the cone and the cylinder? See here, for cylinder it's given diameter 4.3, this height is 3.8, and about the cone it's given it's 90 degrees, right? And it is surmounted means it exactly fits this cylinder, right? Okay, so what will be same? See here, this cone angle is 90 degrees, so both will be half 45 over here, right? So diameter you know 4.3, so R will be 2.15 for the cylinder and the cone both, right? So now you will be able to find the details of the cone also and of the cylinder also. Let's move on. So full volume of the building is volume of the cylinder plus volume of the cone. So volume of the cylinder equals to pi r square h. Pi I have taken 3.14 into r is 2.15 and h is 3.8. Now multiply this 2.15 square into 3.8 into 3.14. So it becomes 55.15. You do it yourself. Okay. Follow Vedic maths tricks. Those are easier. We have separate videos for them. Do those and follow those videos. Okay. So volume of cone now 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 into pi is 3.14 into r is 2.15 square into h is height 2.15. Why 2.15? See here, because this angle is 45 degrees. So if this angle is 45 degrees, both this height and the radius would be same, because this angle will also be 45 then, right? 90, 45, 45, right? So both the sides are equal. So that's why 2.15. So multiply this and you will get 10.4 square meters. Now add these total volume. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.